How to make money on YouTube without making videos in 2021 and 2022. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is a video on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Now, this is not about re-uploading other people's videos. I will show you how to make money on YouTube without any videos whatsoever. This is working right now in 2021. It will continue working in 2022. I'll show you how to do this manually and also how to automate it. So this is a perfect strategy if you are a beginner, you don't know how to record videos, maybe you don't want to show your face, maybe you don't want to record your voice, and you can start today and you can actually start making easy money online. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Check out all the links in the description of this video. Now, if you do want to automate this whole process I'm about to show you, click on the first link in the description and it will take you to my review of a software that does all the work for you. More about that in just a second. But right now, let me share my screen and let's jump into this how to make money on YouTube without making videos video. Step number one is to actually have something to promote, something that will pay you money. Now, YouTube is a perfect website because you have a variety of different videos on any subject in the world, which means that you can go to clickbank.com, pick up any product of your choice, maybe the niche that you are interested in, and start promoting it on YouTube. No matter the niche, so no matter how big the niche is, no matter how small it is, you can find a perfect product to promote on ClickBank. You don't have to get approved by the vendor, so you can become an affiliate literally in a couple of seconds. So obviously you're gonna need a free ClickBank account. After logging in, just click on Marketplace. This will take you to the Marketplace. Pick a product from all of these different categories. So I would recommend just sticking with health, wealth, or relationships, or just something that you're interested in or something that you know a little bit about. So as you can see, we have all of these different categories. I'm going to go with, for example, cooking, food, and wine. And what I like to do is I like to sort results by gravity. Now, what gravity is, the higher the gravity score is, the more affiliates are actually making sales with any given product. So for example, we have this product right here, keto resources. We have a gravity of 70, which means that 70 affiliates right now are making sales with this product. So if you want to grab your affiliate link, all you have to do is just click on promote right here. And as you can see, this is instantly. Let's click on generate hop links and this will be our affiliate link. So what we're gonna do right now is copy it to our clipboard, and I will go to bit.ly or bit.ly.com and make it shorter. First of all, so it's shorter. Second of all, so it just looks better. Okay, so all you have to do on bit.ly.com is just paste it right here, click on shorten, and you're going to get this short looking link. Now, this is exactly what we're going to be sharing on YouTube. And again, this video is about how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So again, no filming, no recording your voice, no re-uploading other people's videos. So again, let's copy this link. Now, a cool alternative that you can use is you can actually go to GoDaddy.com and pick up a matching domain. So for example, if the product on ClickBank is keto resources, you could find a domain, for example, greatketoresources.com on GoDaddy, and then just redirect the link. So you don't have to set up a website. All you have to do is just get the domain and then set up a simple redirect, and then the redirect would go to your affiliate link. So this is a little bit more advanced, but in this way you can just say the domain amazingketoresources.com and this will be going directly to your affiliate link. A little bit more advanced. I just wanted to show you both ways, so bit.ly and this GoDaddy redirect. And now, how to get traffic to your link. So we already have our link. I would just type in keto diet into YouTube and check this out. This is where the money is. What we're gonna be doing is commenting on other people's videos. Okay, so again, you don't have to be downloading other people's videos, re-uploading them. You simply comment on other people's videos. Now, obviously we don't want to make it look spammy, but you can comment on other people's videos, and in some cases you'll be allowed to post links if the comment is really something of value. So for example, we have this video, a keto diet for beginners. Let me open it right here. And as you can see, this is a video uploaded 3 years ago, so I would probably just make sure that it still get views and engagement. So if you want to do that, just go to the comment section and see if there are any recent comments. So for example, The comments right here are from a year ago, 4 months ago, 9 months ago. So this is probably not the best video. So this is why I'm not going to be posting anything here. Let's find a newer video. We have 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Actually, what we can do when it comes to this keyword is go to filters and then go to upload date. So this way we're going to get the newest videos. So right there, as you can see, we have a bunch of videos that were uploaded literally minutes ago. So you can just go to any one of these videos, share a comment that is helpful again. So let me just open this up. And we're gonna go to the comment section and add a comment. I'm not going to be publishing any comments right now, but just make sure that it has to be helpful. So if the product is about keto diet, just maybe write a simple comment about how you tried a keto diet and maybe how this resource helped you. And the resource would be your link to your ClickBank product. Okay, so the most important thing is that you want to be posting on videos that are relevant, that get a ton of views, because if someone is watching a video, then probably they will go to the comment section, check out top comments. Now, if the video is not getting views, it's just a waste of time. So probably this channel is not the best channel I could post on. As you can see, they don't even show the number of subscribers. So we could go back and check for channels that just uploaded a video and are big channels. So at least I would say 10,000 subscribers, ideally 100,000 subscribers, maybe even 1 million subscribers plus. So just go and sort through all of these videos and just keep on posting your comments. This is how you get traffic from YouTube to your link, and this is how you get eyeballs on that link. If someone buys, you get a commission. So this is how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Now, obviously this process does take time. What you have to do is just keep on finding these videos, keep on posting, keep on copy pasting the same comment. Obviously you can copy paste the same comment and the same link. This will save you a little bit of time, but it will take you some time to find these videos and even copy and paste the same comment over and over. So you can do this manually, as I just showed you, or you can actually use this new piece of software that just went live. So again, you're watching this on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to my review of this new software. It's called PermaLink, and what it does is it finds its videos for you and it automatically posts hundreds of comments for you. So I'm not going to be showing you the software right now. If you want to see the demo, the review, I have a huge $10,000 bonus to it. Again, check out my full review. I have a review right here, I have a demo, so all the information is right here if you are interested in making money on YouTube this way. So again, you can just do this manually, see if it works, try it out. I would definitely recommend you do this for at least a day to see if this is something that you want to do. And if you're going to do this once and not make any money, you will probably say, okay, this stuff doesn't work. The idea behind it is that you have to post as many comments as humanly possible. So again, this will take some time, but if you will use PermaLink, hundreds of comments will be just posted for you. So this is fully automated, this is passive income, and this is how you can just post your link once and post it literally to hundreds of channels. So again, check out the full review if you want to. This is my video for you for today. I hope that you see how to make money on YouTube without posting any videos. Obviously, ideally, if you want to make money on YouTube, just start your own channel and start uploading videos. But I know that for some of you guys out there, this is not something that you want to do because, again, you don't want to be recording videos, uploading videos, editing videos, optimizing videos. You don't want to be showing your face, recording your voice. That's why I recorded this video for you, so you can have an alternative. And again, PermaLink will actually automate this whole process for you. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and leave me a comment. Check out all the rest of the links in the description, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next free training video. Ciao.